Hey, let me show you how to star an email in Yahoo Mail. Here I have a couple of emails, and all we need to do is press this little box here on the left hand side, and with the email you want to star selected with that little box, come up to the three little dots here at the very top. Then come down and select star, and this will star that email, and it will be put into the starred box here on the left hand side, and all the emails you've starred will be listed here. This makes it easy to find any emails that are important to you, so if you star them, they'll all go into here, all your important emails that you've starred. Now, all you need to do to unstar it, you can either do it from here in the starred folder or within the inbox. Select it how we just did before by selecting that little box, the three little dots here at the top, and now select clear star. However, you can also select the little box and then press L on the keyboard, and this will star it without having to go for them three little dots. As you can see, Shift and L to clear it if you select it again, or you can press them three little dots. So hopefully that helps you out how to star emails in Yahoo Mail. If it does, smash the like and also smash the subscribe button if you want to see more helpful tech videos like this.